Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Beyond Basic Transformers, Vision, Speech, and Multi-Modal AI. You've probably heard of AI doing amazing things with text, like ChatGPT. That's largely thanks to something called a transformer. But guess what? These incredibly smart AI brains aren't just for words. Today, we're going to unlock how transformers can see, hear, and even understand the world by combining different senses. Just like we do, think of it as teaching your AI to be a developer who can work with images, sounds, and more. Imagine you're trying to understand a long conversation. A transformer is like a super smart listener that doesn't just hear words one by one. It pays attention to asterisk all the words at once, figuring out which words are most important for understanding the asterisk overall meaning. For a developer, this means it can process entire sentences or paragraphs at once, making it incredibly good at tasks like translation, summarization, or writing code suggestions. It's a game changer for text. Okay, so transformers are great with text. But how do you give an AI eyes? We break down an image into tiny squares, like pieces of a puzzle. Each square becomes a word for the transformer. Then, just like with text, the transformer looks at all these image words to understand the whole picture. This is how AI can identify objects, recognize faces, or even describe what's happening in a photo. As a developer, you could use this to build apps that automatically tag photos, monitor security footage, or help diagnose medical images. Next up, sound. Just like we chopped images into squares, we can chop audio into tiny sound chunks. These sound chunks become the words that a transformer can process. It then listens to all these chunks, paying attention to what's important, to understand spoken language, identify different sounds, or even translate speech in real time. For a developer, this opens doors to creating powerful voice assistants, transcribing meetings automatically, or building tools that can identify specific sounds like breaking glass or a dog barking. What if AI could see and hear and read at the same time? Just like humans? That's multimodal AI. It's about taking information from different senses, like text descriptions, images, and audio, and feeding them all into one super smart transformer. This allows the AI to get a much richer understanding of the world. Imagine an AI that not only sees a cat but also understands the spoken word cat, and can read a description of a cat, connecting all those pieces together. Multimodal AI isn't just theory. It's everywhere. Think about image captioning. AI looks at a picture and writes a perfect description. Seeing plus text. Self-driving cars. Understanding road signs. Image. Traffic sounds. Audio. And navigation instructions. Text. Simultaneously. Smart assistants. Hearing your command. Understanding context from previous text messages, and showing you relevant images. Content moderation. Detecting inappropriate content by analyzing images, text, and audio in a video. As a developer, these are powerful tools you can integrate into your projects. As a developer, you don't need to build these complex transformer models from scratch. Many pre-trained models are available. Think of them as ready-to-use AI brains. You can use APIs, application programming interfaces, to easily plug these capabilities into your apps. Want to add image recognition? There's an API for that. Want speech to text? There's an API for that. Your job is to understand what's possible and how to integrate these powerful tools to create amazing new experiences for users. This is where innovation happens. We've gone beyond basic transformers and seen how they've evolved from text-only powerhouses to Multi-sensory AI tools. From images and sound to combining all of them, the possibilities are endless. Keep experimenting with pre-trained models. Explore different APIs, and start thinking about how you can leverage these capabilities in your own projects. The future of AI is multimodal, and you're now equipped with the foundational understanding to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.